na wo ya di Ghana sika hye wonsa amwa ko di dream ama Ghana sika se de yade ma Ghana fo no akwa ko di ubotom ye chiwa wo se menjazie you see hwe NPP for as a timidity band eto omo so say they don't have any moral authority to speak about corruption in this country. As a see ban you for mentioning the word corruption. Near so be a dream. Yet I was a young chassis. Jani Pano. Jani Pano. Na, what's sorry? What better radio, sir? And they see a kutia corruption. Near kutia corruption. What dream now would you na you? Now the case will be a dream. See if you come. You come Nasa who someone see a Jao Mauko. Say, as somebody do what? Look, some way ya. Who say MPP for me case and maybe I'm case of more Jimmy. Why ya now want to say? MPP for no majority of them or more Jimmy.
Yakotina, omuya demonstration wa kwemu ne du ba bia ho na me pese Bawumia na kwa na ye be enka ya adapt sa forces no Bawumia na e wo police ni like ye nya police service na from police force. What must say? Even though the law allows for them to use minimum forces, do you know say the gathering no it's unlawful. Yeah. It's against the Public Order Act. Yeah, what's in Kabana ka owura yowunu asuma boy Sammy yako brim omo. Na say wo baba fie ni ya brim no a. Won say ni Jimmy and edina kwa baby okoyen because it's against the Public Order Act.
Say the mo ye
so wo so kwa koto
demonstration na we ya say wo say wo hia.
Wo hia permit.
Yeah. So what they are doing what
any form of gathering.
So wo koto incubators
any form of
gathering.
That's what the laws.
Yes.
Yes. The laws this.
I be catch omo. Be say when put the to nyumu asemu mpe nipa de pen ho asem.
Pen ho asem.
Wa hu ne eche no. Mo me kai say na miracle TV station bi. Oh, ora no grad agu, ora no just muff. I didn't gaga. Hey! I saw what you have to say. Was it be great treasure?
55 minutes.
Me great treasure. Eti omo an call for. Say mo say ora agu, na ora ya adwuma. Keep quiet na ora no nya dey. Enye na adwuma. Okwa abeba. Na ngaga ene was sorry akokotena say America so kokohwe wake up so kokoye dey you. Ene dey kai ka ho. Ana woti honum. Ana obi say hwe omom kokogu ho nyina omom organize nyina omo boa. Enye do no mo do miracle nti no mo akọ ho. Wonim dey job ko. Eye campaign. Campaign.
Na oyon kwase seska we aseni botomu a.
Osi ache na.
Wo nanabi. Ene kodua. Ene
no mo so mo ye lawyer.
Say edu ba bia ho, da bia me ka asem bi say. Na company for say say bi pani to san na nka kwa akwara de mu. Na say pani to san na esan wo jimi mu say pa dia. Ayemeyaw say I was ever a member of the New Patriotic Party. Ade ade bia me tiwa etimi me rate me etimi sim me kra.
Now cry.
Me cry dia rewo say. Entina me John kwase afoko say. Because I mean, how on earth would you even think say
a lawyer?
Me a lawyer ni. Na watimi abegina camera anim. Ti say de na Hopeson kan. De busa wo say China ya che no de entina maba begada wa ha. Mo say John Mahama o yusu mra no capriciously. The word capricious na won't ase and answer de na won't ase. E de na capricious about say obi ewi o man sika ne yekoche no. Na onu no risk can was he not capricious. What the sebu akwan so ewi sika. E dis kana se obotom. Any accountant mudi, my accountant ne buy o se me de Bawumia na ekurase maka na nso me wiye. Je me wi aya no eye mo de oman monye na sabi de medi no me kopa aba me boa. Wo de wadi no. Wo TV so say ka che say ye ora ne agu. Na ya ba beti wa remo ata ye den. E de na ka remo ata wonye. Da bi yoko yesi say ye de kwa ya so dan.
Wo che ni pa
me pato yoko e ye Pentecost asori dan. E ye basra asori dan. Ana ye asori dan ana ye mosque. De ko frenya me ho.
Ya la hakwado.
Yoko fo mo tete akromfo. Omo wi aban sika. Yes sika no ke betimi de ato your friend is saying you bet me dey see hospitals agenda 111 na the boy is saying e ke bet me see agenda 111 saying
bebre
enkofo ma e de da form apemfo de da form ye hia sika ene ye de ahwa ma hospitals no bed syndrome no yetimi ayi afiri ho okwabrane awie 55 million was at TV so a na no ya te se konfo ba
huni ni pedua so no ani
on kanya sasam yidim panifo atem ke kansem hunu se na wawie sika yasi da bia okọ yoko ho omo se da bia okọ ho omo ni party for amane se wo kromfo etimi adidi atemwa didi obi atemwa Ghana ha ade ya ukwa na akoshe mfichire peja nade enti wo macho wo body no na wo refi obe macho wo adwen o se meka se nipa agimi a ebi ni o wakopeja dade enti na adwen ye ne se adwen na eda ni tirim de o ma ni adwen ne macho na mo obe ma body ni macho o de enu eto no yeso ye be ma pia ye kuja o enu asem esi ye ne tentini tietie nyina ne sen wo so kope MP adi MP na wo kwa kope adie no sabi o wo ko e na obi wo ho na sabi yankoto ayeda wo se wonya botre wo ko e wakoto mpanifo wo ho ni papi aye party adwuma omo no sabi o omo nim de enti e ya de sere na bia wo kwa kope mo ma me kwan na me nso me som mo na nyanya bia sabi o osom e ye o hye ma me kwan na me som so ye de so troko ho enti se edru baby edru na me hu se wase sub boys egu car mu because boys adwene wo form o fi se o mu pega dade na nya tramo mienu miensa bia papa ya o ye twetwa bi na yenko na wo penyansani akodi na chi e wa amayosemu a Okatakyie Afrifa Leo Mensa na akodi na chi
NPP for almost den
o start ya no na
o say
what yes ma
eno na me ka kire omu me say almost den
yenko
me Hopeson me mom me ho
life experience
me mom me ho asafo hini o but jumadi a me kodi ye ma victory eba ma NPP a me ka ho asem mo de me koto says e ma me court twa kwan more than 1 year President Mahamadu Bawumia no so onya interested no mo bo asem no egu ye because omo ka Japanese one so mo fa evidence in radio prosecutor asem na no evidence omo ni hwe I say come mo nkonko to asem no ngu bia we are not interested so no mo me twa kwan sa mango wi ade o mango di dwiri mu mo gabi mu tietre mo ko ka bi sa ko nsa wam
spare them on
o ko nsa wam o enye se bia wakwa bobro no
nsa wam 27 nights 3 nights at Akuse me ho awiada
so enye se okoko di dwiri mu na wo ya di Ghana sika hye wonsa amwa ko di dream ama Ghana sika ese de ya de ma Ghana fo no akwa ko di ubotom ye chiwa o se menjazie you see hwe NPP for as a timidity band eto omo so say they don't have any moral authority to speak about corruption in this country.
Ken Ofori Atta way.
As is here ban you for mentioning the word corruption. Near so be a dream. Yet I was a young chas here. Jani pano.
Chachumudi no more deserve.
Jani pano.
It's Solomon.
Na, wo sorry wo ba betra radio say and they see akutia corruption. Ne akutia corruption. Wo dream na wudi na ye twetwem no. Na de ka say obi adi dream a, say twetwem. Ye twetwem na say ho so a, say eja wo ma wo. Say asem ni diwa. Look, say asem we ya. Won say MPP for me ka say emre bia me ka say omo agimi. Wa ya na won ti ase. MPP for no majority of them omo agimi.
Asem no ya adwene.
What do me ya adwene ho? Because look, nipa na ya che no. Oh, that's on the maybe I make a show. As someone make an so me shrew and I make a miss or more Jimmy.
Kennedy and it's already was
Nipana yache no. Mudi America and waka say woko a yinti. Ade Mirag, I know none communication director, ma presidential candidate, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. A dear and will bet maka. God miracle Aboagye ekasa nipa 100 free NPP mu. Ado munim. Wa munim ohu. Anytime you obekasa bia nipa 100 free NPP mu. Enti edien ana se wo kwa contest election ti ye bekasa ye ba bechew. Miracle sankasa di mu se wo wasam wo yoko. Wa kwa yoko secretly. Akwa answer questions Spain. One country party for ene
boom
mokoko gina honum ana yanti ase
say boom
that hwe insanfon a wo mudi wo honum mede wo kasai abaya bi se wo kasama NPP ekodi president atem e threaten se wo bewu eni ade police for asodumu wo matima ko yesa de we bi wo Okatakyie Afrifa mo asoso no so oh wo kosua de wa America ba wakwaba elections o ya bono Achinatu matesi a transfer to come Mampo divisional headquarters NPP ni bianco kwejina ho say free Okatakyie miracles allegedly no you say 55 million Ghana cedis. Look my man breaking it down can it is canon 550 billion baako sa 550 what the cry beti mercy na yese okwabrane nipa bienu akwakodi wo munsam me de wo kasai wo mo ye nipa 2 wo no as executive can say secretary to the IMCC no interministerial coordinating council no wo no ana na accountant na jetu mu say de ebedi ni nsam no obetua amanatua bi so it means he say bibi shawo
there's more to it
what you say you say 550 million you can say 55 million so 55 million no accountant no say share ebedi ni nsam ni and wa hyase and wo tua it is ye chimiracle Aboagye a that means he say bibi wo ho bibi na wo ho no monim and makoko kwasu na mudin muasam
ne ba se yenyi no
wan
ne ba miracle Aboagye ne ba ga se
what da ho na ne papa susogu na no eni ade no wo hu ada amanfo ma
etie ne ba ne yentie no etie miracle Aboagye ba no yentie no
ne ba ni
papa mami papa mami
Bogabi, omonfa no nkoka ne papa no ho na na kuma
nto. Achachi kata no ni ma.
Me ya chi me kotu mu odi unse me ba begina ho no mu say munyi me papa mami.
Veta Solomon no ni ma.
Look, this country, you see, a toda ya niema krono enkoso. We want to kill or bring corruption to the minimum you cry SSA yetimiye. Na ye susu se obia adi dream. Na ye china na onim ne me nwanwa bra. The so-called policy think tanks no. Womwasem the yema bufu in this country. Omukita PhD. Ye from doctors no. Kanetete na ni doctors bebre. Ewo krom ha se no. Na Ghana kosu ye pa. What is a doctor kasa no bia peso kokoti. Ene. Ya nya doctor for na manabuso. Doctor bi ho wa kasa wo bisa ho senti we wa kokra so wanda na. What me bisa ho? Any no, we must begin to question our say PhD holders in this country. Because PhD holder there, in Kasamuba, Oto Boase, O Kasa will be at you who say yes, say that here. Mwana Munamu Street is Suina Moka, let's fight corruption. What be so a suspected a say corrupt person. That's a ye chino to swa, Muangasa Musi, Bue. Etiquesi and Gosi. Kwada. Yanya day, and you move as a country.
That's why when the motorbikes and above, just need to go to no or the Mokugu.
Share a statement you could have a better abonti. Yeah, Bazi. The Coco did you, baby now. NPP Mranti me, no be better. Who hey, boy, Congo, why a man Congo ye. Adam see to move through whatever Adam see. Money the India Yacheno. What's your monkashi? Adam so boy or Maka.
Then I know there.
I feel me treachery, butcher or mono. You could see from their faces, he said, and you're trying to more bonny. Me say, Mon Concord da home, Madenchi. Until say, or move in your moye, Ebecasi, you know. More, Yamucha hono, and push your move. In Yoko, power sena, and Randy Amomono, and no, I don't move you. She Mugabe, said me, and the office be a mammy. That be did dream wa yen chimbe. Aya me dese community service bill ya wo mu dia parliament o mu jitu mu ahun sa service no ka see reserve ma politicians no. Do you know why? Ye pamu atade no ya trenim I am corrupt. Ya treachery I am corrupt. I will not steal the state fund again. Na yet anopapa na mu gina circle. Na bi gina tema station. No mu treachery. No mo se sase sangura. No musi se ngura dade no ebo wo mu kakra no bi on say
ukra placard this should serve as deterrent to others who want to embezzle state
so on here no me say young reservoir no for the politicians eka hwe unim na me ka kire mo me say when put the to nyumi asem mpe nipa de pe no ho asem wa hu ne tie no mo me kai say na miracle TV station bi oh ora no grad agu ora no just muff and you gaga hey I saw what you have to say was it be great treasure
55 minutes
me great treasure eti omo an call for say mo say ora agu na ora ya adwuma keep quiet na ora no nya dey enye na adwuma o kwa beba na ngaga ene was sorry akokotena say America so kokotwe wake up so kokoye dey you edi ne kai ka ho ana woti honum ana obi say hwe omom kokogu ho nyina omom organize nyina omo boa enye do no omo do miracle nti no omo akọ wonim ne ti obko eye campaign campaign wo bu jana ya pire ne ye say na bi mu ne omo boa eye campaign omo ye
na bi mu ye nyina
eye campaign
na board so no compare election
what regional organizer?
Just need to go do.
No, maybe it's Moses Abo. Moses Abo regional organizer. Bisobo Mundam Huina, a campaign, and no more. It would ye chobi problem say, will be our contest election be a no jina honum. Will be answer making sure so be making statement. No okasa. And in the account, it's a pet. I will move penny say, oh, ye pet was 70 no ye babefa, and ye no. Senge sadia Camilo is a wine. Monko na monko ye free Camila now. Monko mampo na monko ye free Okatakyie now. Mampo den ye say once I heard omuntu minka ho asem. NPP for na organize ma you omkoko bu omu. E chi du kokko tubu. NPP for na. Wo mo na ye. E tu hu se obi antimi nko ho no monko kawe. So monko akoto abakeke. Wo hu ne asi. Be say this party. Agu na nam ho no.
Listen.
The issue of Akonya, we should not mention for the Ashford, I mention Minua. Yavia can who the end, Kofu Sumina.
Senator Agency,
me Bonabaso
carry on.
But I think, sir, largely, no, my shadow study war in politics. And my study in Yuanomwa. I say, Ubia Unimian Sabia on pen PPB. Go I say, Unimiansa, Untimene Quasiafu Niagro. To me who say, baby, I yake kakui as on mine. I was here sharing whom ye. Go baby, I own say, Jimmy for Kunkra on Tino, Mestres, Mummy and Shay whom ye, Amayuko NPP for. But Mugabe, my research be. Now, research no me de Babe to Magana for is on this same topic. We perceive who send ye 55 million Ghana cedis. Adian Kebeti Miaye, Senya Kronoa.
That's right.
Because Nanseyano metena say analysis bi say senkanye oman sika na nkofo awie a nkoman Ghana nkiyaduru he what ma say na ema me yes research na research kire say ye share the construction of health facilities keke me nko into education me the health pen eye adwuma sa 55 million Ghana cedis no ebetimi a constitute about 10% to 15% of a year district hospitals, because district hospital be as 55 million. Say yes, yes, we hear or hamunchichemu be waha, and now the aya emu edu, and will be a reaction bottom. That's right. So you need about 550 million Ghana cedis to build a whole fully finished hospital, district hospital. And so also we see polyclinica. Ebetimi si be enum because 55 million ebetimi si polyclinic. Just say ukwa ube okay. Mahama care says kanu no mu hia. EDSC hospitals ahodo 55 million. Sa sikana no. So would you see be a chip compound and in your manoma ubetimi anya chip compounds makum be a duonu 20 pieces of chip compounds. That's right. That is say 55 million no. Say I shall say be a 2.5 and 3 million is chip compound be a just a chip compound ya elevating the power. Ebetimi asi. Ena say ebi a yɛmfa nkɔ procure MRI machines ahodoɔ. MRI biara no ɛyɛ between 15 to 20 million. Enti wantimi a no ebetimi atɔ bɛɛ mienu ensesa bɛka. Ɛna ebi a wosi wo pɛ sɛ wo de yɛ ebi a yɛ friend is saying sa CT scanners yi. O kɔtɔ CT scanners a ebetimi atɔ maako bɛɛ sɛ nwɔtwe sa scanners me nyɛ sophisticated one no. So wose wo de yɛ ebi a kidney machines a de omni yɛ dialysis no ebetimi atɔ 200 pieces. Wow. Ɛna sa kronfo yɛ wi a yakɔte na ɔmo yɛ demonstration wɔ kwam no. Nedu baby a na me pese Bawumia na kwa na ebe enka ya adapt sa forces no Bawumia na e we police ni like ye police service name from police force. What must say? Even though the law allows for them to use minimum forces, do you know say the gathering no is unlawful? Yeah. It's against the Public Order Act. Yeah, what say nka na nka owura yo unu asuma boys amya ko brim omo na say wo baba fie ne ya brim no a wo say ni Jimmy and e dina ko baby okoyen because it's against the Public Order Act. So wo say wo kwa akoto demonstration na we ya say wo say wo hia permit. Yeah. So what they are doing what
any form of gathering.
So wo say wo koto incubators
any form of gathering. That's what the law.
Yes.
The law says.
Yeah.
Hwe unim incubator ye de ehwe enkwala neonatal incubator.
Yeah. Premature form.
Ebetimi ato 150 pieces.
Hey.
Sikana kronfo na wia na yate no na.
No, what's how many?
Ebetimi ato almost 200 pieces.
But we are talking about 55 million.
55 million na me analysis no.
Incubator ba go say.
They be make sophisticated equipments. John Mahama care 150 billion.
Says can you go to create
a boost to ambulance on
listo.
A betimi ato ambulance maku 55 pieces if each is costing 1 million.
Oh, listo.
1 million.
Yeah.
Ambulance ambulance now.
So we are talking about 55 million.
And I'm making
yes,
55 million.
550 billion.
Yes.
Now one year will be.
Say kasa so man. Ambulance bia no. You're pegging at 1 million. That is what the records state. And the ambulance bia 1 million. 55 million will take 55 pieces of ambulance.
Yeah.
From the shop. well equipped. Now or your kwase seska we ase ni botomu a.
O se ache na.
Wo nana bi. Ene kodua. Ene
no mo so mo ye lawyer.
Say edu ba bia ho, da bia me ka asem bi say. Na company for say bi pani to san na nka ekwa akwara de mu. Na say pani to san na esan wo jimi mu say pa dia. Ayemeyaw say I was ever a member of the New Patriotic Party. Ade ade bia me tiwa etimi me retimi etimi sim me kra.
Now cry o cry.
Me kra dia rewo say. Entina me John Kwasiafo ko say. Because I mean, how on earth would you even think, say,
a lawyer?
Me a lawyer ni. Now what me abegina camera nim. Ti say dey na Hopeson kan. The busa will say China ya che no dey nti na maba begada wa ha. Mo say John Mahama o yusu mra no capriciously. The word capricious na won't ase and I said dey na won't ase. E dey na capricious about say obi ewi o man sika ne ye koche no. Na onu no risk can was he not capricious? What the sebua kwan so ewi sika. E dis kana se obotom. Any accountant mudi, my accountant ne buy o se me de Bawumia na ekurase maka na nso me wi ye. Je me wi aye no. Eye, mo de oman monye na sabi de medi no me kopa aba me boa. Wo de wadi no. Wo TV so say ka che say ye ora ne agu. Na yaba beti wa remo ata ye den. E dey na ka remo ata wonye. Dabi yoko yesi say ye de kwa ya so dan.
O che ni pa
me pato yoko e ye Pentecost asori dan. E ye Basra asori dan. Ana ye asori dan ana ye mosque. De ko frenya me ho.
Ya la hakwado.
Yoko fo mo tete akronfo. Omo wi aban sika. Yes, sika no ke betimi de ato ye friend say ye betimi de see hospitals. Agenda 111 na ne boy ye say. E ke betimi see agenda 111 say.
Bebre.
Enkofo ma e de da form, apemfo de da form, ye hia sika ene ye de ahwa ma hospitals sa no bed syndrome no. Yetimi ayi afiri ho Kwabena awie 55 million was at TV so na no ya te se konfo ba
huni ni pedua so no ani
on kanya sasam yidim pani for tem ke kansem hunu se na wawie sika yasi da bia okọ yoko ho omo se da bia okọ ho omo ni party for amane se wo kromfo
se ni pa we ni na mo ja na da na otimi tu kwan o fa ne passport no to
ko kwan no wa ma bia ma
na se eye ti o amambu eye
processes
strategy. You see, you plan and then strategize. And yes, sir, box. Look, the same people for jail. You have no idea. What they have with trouble?
So, but Trabuna nache.
But so they have with trouble.
Musu set Trabuna ne ba.
Yati ho. Ne yatimi allow ama akwaya te say kokotakusuban. Ono anoma kokone kone wakwa tifia ko hunsuo no na wasa ba na fo no abebusa na ubusa in a nutshell no den na ekwa akosi Ghana fo sika na ayira ye de ekwan ya ye be fa so a ye be hu sika no ye de yoko asia no and I have so much belief in the competencies of Raymond, because Raymond or started so investigative journalism and well, your crowns are not able.
He has the credibility.
And the credibility intact. Even though it do be a timid maybe they already come off a being come here. Or the cannon mafia of a bed, you know, not the near high. Sometimes I know a journalist who
friend a cafe.
Who the opa, a Yakubusa or Dr. Anani. I did a remark at the end. Raymond shall say, and it's his hobby to investigate any hobby. Until you can never find any fault with Raymond. Even when you are discussing these bail conditions, then your manoma, men who says something like that, no more kasa is being, you know, I don't get it. Bail condition, you know, is for you to satisfy. If you satisfy, why not? Want me kasa on my crime my own pay. And I will say, Sikane Swan, Obi answer se Korea de. What am I say? Maybe now we are better me. I don't think I may yet post hey, more than me my cost repose. Because me didn't yet. It's one way na obi kura ko dia be sheme. etiani esa na etia dia mam tram baby na me nyam private business ko ni me ko na puncheni abetum fifiri and am team baby na me dwe me ho eti me qualify they qualify but me person e be didi agum abodu sem timi dem team baby because bi ana party ni bi aba na makoni mo ba ko sign bi ama no e be wi ase ase na poku na akudi ske me so di nya de and am team baby na wo de o sha se wi asika nyene omu wi a mo nko ne MCE adwuma okoye wo late no mo kohwe kro no uti ayere ya nkwa kwa kalata asem ne ya limiting to wenku a omu bakeka na gumo omu bakeka na gum because they say my boss yi ubo ze remo obeko late
de no
obeko late pe o de ubo so no ya MCE wo wo de me say wo ti ha
auditor general's report to crowd that
what wa bosso we so mo be ya ma remo akohwe na wa ba be ka sika dodo a
ever remo de
oh enti no my dream ya me say let's get serious in this country.
Okay.
It has come a time sebio o man sika your man mu ni nyina sika hwe o man we titire wo mu
protect the public purse.
So just imagine say ye nyina aso man na ye die sika ja I sukonoma akoye friend is ni dini the same
miracle
ni dini said anya miracle Aboagye na yesi wono hwe so na kintina wa otufo no nyina taxpayers money ka ho ohini bodi amamu so to gba afede no nyina me hanfu nyina me bom di amamu so no mu nyina sika o abusua nyina sika o ne ya di amamu na wo akola toto fi we na wa wie sika no na wadi
ambofra
ugusu awudi na ya bechiwa na wow party for start say dede. Let's get serious in this country. Baby o man kono sebi ye hia enyansafo a o mbe kasa wo badwam enye saa de ekoso
pressure te mo nyi video no to so mame na fe listo fa honi nwie owie na fe de aka no so ato aso yenko
Okatakyie na mo yese o number yese the number ni je ye be 50 me 50 ani fa na mo dai oh ye ba ha na ye be da o mo ho ka wa aguna fa ni yes e free ayi na Kenya se bai anti aguna fa ni na mo dai bia aguna mi nim ho ne mo honestly yes e bia ye kwa bia bi ti hu ma se bia be ti asi so Okatakyie ba no pe ma hotel na mo dai ya so mo ha ne mo da na wo da ewiase ohun nipa bi ho a okamia menka no okamia oye me dan mi mfie no because minim say den ahomatenten na me dia ma no ono a wagimi nti ode be kekere ne ho me hu no first day me hu no oba me nkyɛn na me hu so wagimi first day me hu sa because nipa ne nante na one ne din komo ba ko mienu me Hopeson me pe na asem nya bibia onimnyansa Mugabe onimnyansa me mpe kwase agro ti hu sa me ne kwase anam me ne na kwase awosoma no kura ahwe obekọ beba na mfifiro di mfifiro egu enti kwase ayen soma no me nsoma kwase a first day me share na me ne din kita ho sa time no wa frɛ me wo program wo your friend is saying Happy FM oh afi na no a ye nyina ye ba be make sure say NPP on ho be kire o pa na me say da bi nya NPP na person mo kire o kanokre de obi nya ye menka oh de o ntwitwa ntrongu o mo so nyina ani asem nyina be keka bi afrafra na me say da bi Akufo Addo ya o hoi udi ntro to no so be me ya chew nti udi kanokre ye di ni di agro bobi ani ni di agro mi tu ne fo o sa oba mu fie ha o oba ha no hansem bebrebe empanifo si entwaso nti me nka
Dr. Chembi
oba ha na mi listo wa otimi hwa mi manim na udidi me matem akulawe didi me matem menya ne hwe yenka bedwam asem yenka kokoa mu asem obedwam
prempeni
na sebi me udidi me matem wo of a bit is me. We bush him when it is me. Me my bush and cram in the forest as you crab said you. Wunyame etimi adidi atemwa didi obi atem Ghana ha ade ya wokwa no akoshe mfikyire pagya nade enti wo macho wo body no na wo refi so be macho wa adwen o se me ka se nipa agimi a ebi ni o wakopagya dade enti na adwen ye ne se adwene na eda ne tirim de o ma ne adwene ne macho na mo be ma body ni macho o de enu eto no yeso ye be ma pia ye kugya o enu asem esi ya ne tenten tietie nyina ne sen wo so kopɛ MP adi MP na wo kwa kopɛ adie no sabi o wo kɔ ene obi wo ho na sabi yankoto ayeda wo se wonya botre wo kɔ wo koto mpanifo wo ho ni papia ye party adwuma omo no sabi o omo nim de enti eya de sere ne bia wo kwa akopɛ
yeah
mama me kwan na me nso me som mo na nyanya bia sabio osom eye o hye ma me kwan na me som so ye de so troko ho oh enti se edru ba bia edru na me hu se wase sub boys egu car mu because boys adwene wo form o fi so mu pega dade na nya tramo mienu miensa bia papa ya o ye twetwa bi na yenko na wo penyansani akodi na chi ewa amayosemu a Okatakyie Afrifa Liomensa ana akodi na chi aya o ma megentete akura em se wan tete ni
Dabi me
ana wa ma training
ni
entia ti na wa jimi sa because enka wotete na ana enka wo ye say party na chese na enka wan tete ni ba we ni students ana minimum record oh etino me gina we so catch IGP say
onu kra no you happy FM no buy no na mene osu bempa program ne ye wo choice ana for no worry eton station
ampa bekai
ade de ba ayi
happy
enti one day na osu bempa tu kwan
ai
me nim say ye odem ka be wura ho because that day na say me host to program no
say I hotna
enti no wanto no boase wo ba ya nche de koto aba enti wanto no boase
e fre bibi sanko tie say ukọ tie di okafa wo ho anti ya ma ne kotena wa o rebe ho I hotna na say bi ye di agro da me ne na Fox FM kwa ba bedru enkra ha me nim ne da bobie e na ono agya ososo ni paso na wo we wu didi bobie atem we we parfum we
sa wo ye
edidi mo gabi atem
sa wo ye santini right
pa
Asante mamu so obi ohina otimi jana bonye
oh ya yese mo wanim manyam se wudie se efe oh na obi o ho ana aso wadwana bodwese na asa aponcha bodwese what you say yese ohene de mo wanim enyanyam te sa wo sei wagya wabodwese na aye hene a ebe fata okama anya sabio adwene yem kama onim onyam na ohwe ne de ya ana na henie na woka no sabio enu eye negata no hene enu negata kro enu gata na no wontimi mfrant man fat ne ensine so nkwa ahemfie manhia da bi wontimi tio eye ayokofo a omo wa aguna omo hene ete se bretuofo omo wa baabi na o masi hene anu no eye fie wontimi mfantra ne gata ne kra ana ya no ode chinie sine so kuntan enti eya kaka binsam ana wasoa ne men ana wasi kroma obi anya bema nchen no ana te se wu Hopeson se ode ne ho bebo wa na wode wu etu ne ho pesa mini Hopeson nanam unim de anka ne mpanifo nam nti saa na ode ne nam krom ha ana krono ade a wonim oso wonim bibia saa na mra bi krono te se dia wakogina brocha go gye nkofo sika se wakwakoye boho be no ye we krofo boho be no ye okay, don't let me go there. I don't have to waste my time and energy on such a miscreant, a hooligan.
Yeah, can't there.
And the one or he never back as a.
Onye who or call your couple boy or cottage in Kofosikawa Manone. Say, or no, a quaway, a mobafraway, or no, Funfuni. So, or no, a quacosi boho. A failure, or no, Asa Korea, or be boho, why that I don't know a quadra who went out at a Yako Kata who said, where chat boho, a wire sword cutting. Hey, a quaway. One tell him in Casa.
I'm missing what I've done for.
One name, Miss Bacho, and Kabida, or have to go back court. Men fed Jimmy Adam for that. Millennium Safone Diagro. Me don't call you my call madam for. And now what's it said? And now didn't want to say what? Or Bound Chayana, what any slick a Caribbean or Koja Mountain, Madame Fini listo well. Madame Fini, one Fabiano. Gyamfi one Fabiano.
Family.
Oh, 18 no Miss Samu. Ghana Hana, a one, a Yansa for me.
A blast some lady for 20.
A Yansa for me. Yeah, can you pan in his soup? Oh, but let's do Hanum Naya Kado Mahama, some and Subania can was him. Ne papa ya na many your net dot man in my land, in fact, ni chia chini mwebra. Yeah, for ya can I say? Where, Opa, Opa, Susu Chem. Now no tell my metranka say Uchem Pia at Rewasi. Why are some near king? Better no be a hunipacra make an answer me. The Okwajina man on Nicholas Restless, Cassa or no wire boho baby, Funfuni for by assemblyman Beccansa or Bois. What did this can what did she can't say Uncle Sam say I know did you know causes our boys no mudinechi. Now no crow from the name I asked out. Now boys he did nechi. Now what cameraman.
Obio you who phobia no namwa.
Now one am the bodyguard at Edward. May want some the bodyguard now. Mugabi. Anya emrebi boys bi ko ha adwin bia ya nyina advice say mienu bi kan ho a una ma bodyguard wechi enti no
campaign ye nyina e matre na me no monam
ai
mema bi antra mi ka mun campaign
na wo de wo da bi na wo de wo adrora
o da bi o
adrora o ku se ku ni pa wo bodyguard si boys who train you?
Everybody.
Madam Gaddafi. Oh, etino mesre. Oh, we are be me pie kuja o. Okatakyie Afrifa we hwe nyansa. Democracy ni ewu mu no. Vigilante bill no nko vigilante law no. Se aban we say se oyi nani ama posifo aye na dwuma ayo ma dwuma. Ubeko jail straight.
Serious.
Because you want to break law and order. And a NPP for and passes Samrano. It is based on that vigilante law. No, you see, the Juma. Then you say, Bia, yeah, BB say, oh, Shoti Chebina, IGP, no, so I'm running here, Juma. You have to go to jail. What must I say?
Nonsense system.
It must say IGP. My way, and let it serve as a deterrent to others who want to emulate same. And your good behavior.
They are preparing.
Because now we are no more far boys be a one poor man will good baby say or more never be NPP security.
Boga lions.
Yes.
New ones even.
Yes. Oh, and your mentality say they can through hooliganism no take power.
Oh, she are mobile.
They are not nika. Oh, say adenya missing now no be also so akobu kwabena bobi anse na akwa me gina ho na waye yira wo kwa akobu na bobi ne ho ye na nika na me pagya na si ba bi ni mu ha se balu aye hu no ni mu ha oh now boys we by now I was saying ya crack whip no da because uja omo it will fester. It will fester. What must I say? You know, let's instill discipline in this country.
Very well.
Let's instill discipline in this country. Enough is enough. Yeah, baby, you're free. Can see yes, the omu ye bia. Okay, benya boys so, but we don't believe in that.
Fantastic.
Because obiaba ehun hiano. Na ho na mfa na ho de nkonko enkogu enkogura ato pray.
Yeah.
It's your best.
Listo,
IGP Misrao. Crack the whip.
Fantastic.
There are laws in this country. Crack the whip. Set so no. Hey, ni rank him refuse. There be set so no set here. ACP, eh?
Yeah.
You really often tell you, you are more rank. Set police, penny, set so no. Crack the whip.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.